Hey there, this is Matt with Revived Builds, and in this video I'm going to show you how I revived these old grill tools. First I went to my local thrift store and picked up some old grilling tools. I made sure the shafts were round and that they were overall sturdy. I then broke off the handles and used them as a rough template for the overall shape. I used some scrap pieces of red oak and black walnut for the handles. Next I took the wood to the bandsaw to trim off the sides and prep them for the lathe. It was then time to turn the handles. I'm pretty new at the lathe, so I chose some pretty basic shapes for the handles, but I made sure to add a little bit of flair so they weren't too bland. Once the handles were turned, I went over to the drill press to drill holes for the metal shafts. I made a quick jig to hold the round handles parallel to the drill bit. With the holes drilled, it was time to fasten the tools into the handles. I used 5-minute epoxy, which was great. And then I added a little mineral oil and these tools were ready to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.